One of these key lights costs around $700, while the other one costs under $75. Can you tell which one is which? If you're looking for a budget-friendly way to achieve a really nice key light, then in this video, I'm going to give you the perfect lighting hack to do on a budget and still get a really nice, soft key light. In these two examples, the one on the left is my $700 Amaran F22x key light, while the one on the right is a $75 setup that is the Smallrig RF 10C paired with a 5-in-1 reflector. Without the covering, it's just the diffusion piece. This essentially makes it a softbox for the small little RF flashlight. And since the Smallrig light is only around $50 and a 5-in-1 reflector is usually less than $20, this setup comes in at around $75. Here's the setup. I have my camera, we have the Amaran F22x, and then you'll see right here that I've just mounted the Smallrig light here on this little tripod. So let's switch over from this setup, which is the Amaran F22x, and let's switch over to the Smallrig RF 10C. So we'll turn this off, we'll turn this on, and I just have that on the white setting maxed out. And for this, I'm just gonna move this Amaran out of the way. So now we just have that pointed directly at me, but you can see this is a really harsh light because this is a really small source and it's just pointed directly on me. We need to soften it with something. So we need something to diffuse the light. That's where the 5-in-1 reflector comes into play. So we'll grab our 5-in-1 reflector. You can see it doesn't have the cover, and we'll prop it up here in front of the light. And you can see that this will act as like a little softbox to diffuse some of that light. And now you can see that we have a much softer light on my face because we're diffusing it through the 5-in-1 reflector. Now you can play with different distances, like pulling this more forward. This is going to give a bigger circle of light, which will essentially make the softbox even bigger. So you can see that this is our final setup of using this as a key light source, and it actually provides a really nice soft light for your videos. So this was just a really quick 3-minute lighting hack in case you need a really budget-friendly key light.